What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna keep today's intro very short. Bet you thought the vlog was over, huh? I'm just kidding. We are gonna be revealing the new kit for the car. And the reason we started from the rear end of the S15 is because right now the car does not look special at all. It looks like an Acura TL, Acura RL. Looking at the rear end of the S15, what do you guys notice? What is it missing? Yup, that is correct. It is missing a wing, but there is one more thing. I think for these old JDM cars, this next item is a must. Let me show you guys. Let me take you guys behind the GTR. The GTR has rear spats, and I think that the rear spats complement the super simple, less curved bumpers. The rear bumper's not aggressive at all, and with the help of rear spats, this is a Spec R S15, so one of the items we need to complete the rear end are obviously the Spec R aero rear valences, or rear spats, whatever you want to call them. These are OEM rear spats from Nissan, and these are plastic. It's going to complete the rear end of the car, making it much more aggressive. Oh, that looks good. But if you know anything about the S15s or the Spec Rs, what is it missing? Here it is, my absolute favorite wing for the S15, the Spec R wing. This is an OEM wing straight from Nissan. It has a third brake light, which I love so much. I used to not like this too much back in the day, and a lot of S15 owners actually shave off this third brake light, and it looks amazing. Here's a photo of Otis's car without the third brake light. It looks great, but I want to keep the third brake light. We've come a long way from buying fake parts, but for these cars that are going up in value, you want to throw on the real OEM stuff. Putting on fake parts will actually devalue the car, and I honestly just don't think it's worth it at all. If anything, keep it stock, but we're throwing on all OEM parts. The Spec R actually comes with aero side skirts, but it's missing one thing. Can you guys guess what that is? This is the OEM option bumper, but this is not the Spec R aero bumper. So, you guys already probably know where this is going. The next item I'm gonna show you is the most expensive item I have ever, not the most expensive item I have ever bought, but the most expensive bumper I have ever purchased. This bumper costs as much as a set of Blitz 03s. You guys heard that right, and if you guys don't know how much Blitz 03s are, the bumper is actually more expensive than OGTEs. It's even more expensive than my real Nismo GTR front bumper. I hope you guys like it. This is the aero bumper. This is an OEM bumper straight from Nissan. I think it's worth it. I did think about it for a very long time, and I just can't find myself doing anything to this bumper. It's just so basic. The lip kits for it's not that great, and this bumper looks amazing without a front lip. God damn. Look at how aggressive this bumper is compared to this one. It's pretty obvious that this is the better choice, right? Now that we've got the aero bumper, the aero side skirts, the aero rear valences, and the Spec R wing, it's gonna completely change the look of the car. It's not gonna look like an Acura anymore. And I know you guys have been saying that the other taillights were better. You guys will see why I chose these taillights. The red from here will complement the red from here, and having everything painted and color matched is gonna look so good. So that is what we're doing today. Today, we're gonna be repainting this front bumper. If you guys come up close, you'll see that this side has been repaired and is primered, but this side is paint matched, while everything back here needs to be resprayed. I thought about it. I was gonna take these parts to TNT Collision to have them paint match so that the color match is perfect, but I thought about it and I have literally all the tools to do everything here. The paint for the S15 is actually a white pearl, so it's a 3-stage paint. You have to spray the base coat, the pearl, and then the clear. I kind of just want to do it myself. If I mess up, I can take it to them. What's the fun in just dropping it off, right? And plus I get to make another cool S15 video for you guys. All right guys, I think I've decided we're gonna start with the wing first. Let's just paint one panel at a time. I've never painted with pearl before, so this is gonna be the tester. This is literally the cleanest piece. That's gonna need the least amount of work. I do see that there are a few cracks here and there. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe. Oh no, there's more cracks than I thought. Never mind guys, let me rethink this. I lied. We're starting with the rear valences. These are easier. Great. Fuck! So sick. I'm such an idiot. Guys, I am so hyped on how today is going. All of the little cracks on the wings, look, it's just the old paint cracking. The paint underneath is perfect, so all I had to do was really just scuff it a little bit and everything is nice and smooth. So, we just gotta scuff this whole thing with the Scotch pad and it's ready for primer. All right, check it out guys. All of the pieces are primered and they're pretty much ready for base coat. All right, let's take a look. Let's see if it's literally just like a regular white or if there's anything special. It's literally just a flat white. Just white. But this is what makes the color special. This is my first time looking at this too. Ready?
Go for it.
See what it looks like. And there it is, guys, the pearl. Wow. It's a 3-stage paint, so you paint this layer first, then this layer, and then you do clear.
Got it.
So that's what makes it more expensive too, because it's an extra step. It's been a few days, guys, and I actually stopped filming. Painting can be easy, but also at the same time, it can be the hardest thing ever. I dropped the rear spats, I messed up on the wing, and I was just over it. I spent 2 whole days, but we are finally done. Check this out. Here's one of the spats. Look at that. This is my first time doing a 3-stage paint, and I don't think I did too bad at all. The paint match is like literally almost perfect. This is gonna look so good on the car. The rear wing is done as well. I am so over it. Painting sucks.
It does suck. Like washing you paint sucks. No, it looks clean though. I like it. That's my favorite wing.
Yep, me too.
No, it is but the thing is, I didn't know this, that in real life is a lot taller than how pictures are.
Honestly, it's super aggressive, and I love everything about it.
That's like a 3260 version 2, more slim.
Yep.
It's fire though. I like it.
Thanks. How do you think I did on the paint job though?
You did pretty good. Except for you got lazy, you didn't fix the other thing. Did you show them that yet?
No, I guess we might as well show them.
Just show them.
Check it out, guys. So we had a little crack, and I was like, nah, let's just spray paint over it. It'll look fine. Well, it has that little crack right there. The paint just never sealed it in. And I am not gonna go back and redo this. Maybe one day I will, but remember, I'm not a paint shop and I'm not a professional. I'm happy with how this all turned out anyways. The paint match is amazing, and other than that, I think I did amazing. So, thank you.
It's actually not bad, because if you think about it, there's a lot of people out there that have like mission chip paint and all that stuff, and not even matching paint.
Yep.
Good condition, but not matching paint. I'd rather get a little crack like that and have matching paint.
Yep. Next time, I'll make sure I just full send it and, you know, take my time with it. But I'm not a paint shop, and I'm not gonna redo that again. I wanted to paint the bumper, but these 3 pieces alone took me 2 days. I was gonna hold it off until the next video, but let's give you guys a little sneak peek.
Well, that's clean.
That looks good, huh?
It looks good from here.
Okay, okay.
I can't see from there.
Fire, huh?
Yeah, it's just gonna.
It's just an older strip cut?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's fire.
Hold on, hold this, Thomas. Hold this, hold this, hold this.
Fire, rivet. Oh my god.
Fire?
That looks really good.
Looks good, huh?
Oh,
I love this car,
That looks
dude.
fire. I love this car too. I actually really wanted this car, but I thought it would never happen, and I guess it happened. To you. You show them the wing yet?
Huh? No, I didn't. Let's save it for the next one.
Let's save it for the next video. You
Yeah,
guys-
save it for the next one.
Yeah.
Just because I put so much effort into this video already. If we put the wing on, it'll ruin the next video.
That's right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Let's install the wing and the front bumper in the next video. How's that sound?
That's so fire.
Well, guys, that is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up for all the hard work. I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog. And go down, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace.